Hey there, I'm Andrew.
And my name is Miah.
And we're two residential fellows from the Office of Residence Life and Housing Administration. And we just wanted to continue telling you guys about some of the, as we count down from move-in, just some of the things that you should be aware of. We're currently in the York River showroom, so this is a pre-furnished space with some decorations to give the impression of what a decorated space might look like.
Yeah. And as you guys can see, this room right here is decorated, but any room that you have here at CNU, you can decorate it the way that you want, as we want this to be your home.
Yeah. Important to note is that in every York space specifically, but in freshman spaces period, you'll have a bed, just like this one, a desk with a chair, and cupboards very similar to this, with a space to hang. Obviously these are not included, but or the hangers, but please bring your own hangers, some cabinets, and then some drawers to put more clothes in. These are really great space, but as you can see, altogether they can be a little limiting. So don't bring your full wardrobe, as you might have space bigger than this at home that is more accommodating.
Yeah, and also just know that you are allowed to hang things up, but just remember, try not to hang things up too high on the ceiling, as RAs do room checks and want to make sure that things are fire safety. So you guys can bring command strips to make things very personalized and hang up photos of your family and friends and just anything that makes you feel happy here.
One of the important things we like to recommend is drawer space such as this that is more personal, and as you can see, you have a pretty decent amount of space underneath that bed as it's raised a little bit. It's a great space to put extra cupboards and extra space if you have belongings that you don't want to hang up immediately, maybe winter clothes that you don't need until January. One of the more important things to keep in mind is that each room comes with this micro fridge. So there's a microwave on top, and then there is a freezer space and a fridge space. And this is pretty much identical to every micro fridge in freshman housing. So that is going to be boilerplate all around.
Yeah, and including with the fridge, just remember that you should not bring your own personal fridge, as we do have fridges here, so don't stress about bringing too much food, as you will have that unlimited meal plan here.
Mm-hmm. Importantly, this is a York space. If you'd like to see what all York spaces look like, we have floor plans that are being posted on our Instagram page and on the Residence Life website for both York and the other first-year residence halls like Santoro and Potomac.
And of course, at CNU, we don't have communal bathrooms, so you each will have your own bathroom to share with either your roommate and your suite mates here. So be sure to coordinate with your roommates when you get here, either before you arrive or when you see each other in person, to coordinate what things that you need for the bathroom. You do not want to have duplicate things of everything here, so be sure to communicate that before you move in so you guys can know what to buy.
Cleaning the space is really important here at CNU, and that is ultimately your responsibility. At the end of the year, if your room is excessively dirty, there may be a charge assessed to you because of an improper taking care of your space. We do have vacuums at the front desks in each building, and so you don't need to bring your own vacuum, but you might need to bring some Clorox wipes or other basic cleaning materials to keep your space relatively clean. We highly recommend working with your roommate and your RA to help establish some good boundaries and some clear deadlines for your own cleaning schedules.
And if you have any more questions or you just want to know the floor plans here, you can visit our website, and you can also visit our Instagram page, which is CNU Res Life, for more information about the layout and just overall getting prepared to move in here to CNU.